Kinder and gentler push promotion strategies and marketing channels. The 7 promotional strategies. First, cooperative advertising. Second, promotional allowances. Third, slotting fees. Fourth, display and selling aids. Fifth, in-store promotion events. 6. Contests and incentives. 7. Special promotional deals and merchandising campaigns. So, in the previous section are straightforward, hard-hitting promotion and basically aim engaging channel members to push a particular manufacturer product rather than competitors. Other promotional strategies whose ultimate purpose is also to get channel member to push a particular manufacturer product. We refer to this as kinder and gentler push promotion. The most important of these are first, training program. Training program aim to improving the performance of channel members. Salespeople can be one of the most effective strategies for building channel member promotional cooperation. So training program, sooner or later we experience a training program like OGT is a part of training program in order to train ourselves to how to handle in our own businesses, how to communicate other people. It's part of our training program or OGT. Second, quota specification. The sales volume that manufacturers specify for channel members to generate during a certain time period are called sales quota. So sales quota, they are viewed as a promotional strategy because manufacturers set quota in the belief that they will spur channel member and the greater effort in return for rewards offered for reaching or exceeding quotas. Sales quotas have been used extensively in the domestic automotive industry, foster aggressive dealer selling. Sales quota, if used properly, can be effective promotional strategy for improving channel members' promotional support. So, the key to using quotas properly, however, lies in the context in which they are presented to the channel members. Third, missionary selling. The term missionary selling was first used to describe the activities of the manufacturer. Salespeople who were sent specifically to convince distributor that they should handle the manufacturers to the new product. So for me, the missionary selling in a company, there's a missionary selling like how to entertain their customers so that the customer will be convinced. First, for example, there's a mission is for those buyer buy 2 pieces of clothes or etc. They will have a free. That is what we call missionary selling, and also they are trying to promote their products in order to have a lot of customers. Fourth is trade shows. Trade shows are usually annual events organized by association in particular industries ranging from toys to heavy industry equipment. So, trade shows, trade shows, trade shows like you need to display your product, you make it sell, or to make your customer motivate, to make your customer attract your product and convince. So trade shows, the main objective of participating in trade shows, aside from making sales, is to attain the maximum impact and gain the widest recognition for the firm product, especially new product, and thus to enhance the firm recognition and respect among its relevant public. So for example, manufacturer of musical instrument that sells its conference attendees representing the wholesalers and retailers who already carry this manufacturer's product, but also those who do not carry them now but may be convinced to do to do in future or sooner or later. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.